Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome to Boome's channel. Don't go anywhere. I want to show you guys how to get some mailbox cash. I love these mailbox cash opportunities, and I have a starter kit, and I'm excited to share with you guys this opportunity that I ran across. It's a mailbox cash opportunity, so don't go anywhere. So my name's Buddy. I'm from Northwest Washington. Like I said, I'm a father of 5, and I've been in this make money niche for about 11 years now. And I want to share with you guys the starter kit that I got. This is called the Cash Building System. And what I like about this is you can do this totally offline. You could do it offline without the internet if you like, or you can get a you have an opportunity to have a website, and you can do it online and offline, or one or the other. But what I like about this is you get free postcards with this, and I'm going to show you guys how you can get free postcards with this. So this is called the Cash Building System. I got my starter kit in the mailbox, and I want to show you guys what I got here. Okay, so these are postcards. So to get started with the Cash Building System, to get into the start with it, the membership is $50, and what you're gonna get for that $50 is you're gonna get postcards, and you get 200 postcards. And so all I gotta do is you can put your ID on there. You're gonna get your ID number. My ID number is 1398, and not only are you gonna get 200 postcards with that $50 for the membership, you're going to get peel and stick labels, leads. Okay, so I got a big old folder full of peel and stick leads right here, and I'm not going to show you guys all the addresses on there because that's personal information. So that's all I got to do is go on here and put the leads on here, stick the leads on there, and go to the post office and mail it off. And one of the cool things about this, guys, with this mailbox cash opportunity is each and every time somebody joins the Cash Building System, you're going to get 200 postcards and additional peel and stick leads for that $50 membership. So you can get unlimited postcards that way. And in your starter kit, that gives you the opportunity to order more postcards. But every time somebody joins you, you're going to get 200 postcards, and it shows you how. This is just the $50. This is just the entry level of the cash building system. Okay, so the $50, it's all it takes to get you on the road to financial freedom. For your $50, you will receive 200 postcards, names, Phase 2 upgrade form, order form, and copy of our flyer. You get $25 plus 200 postcards and names every sign up you receive. When you want to make bigger money, you can simply upgrade. Okay, so there's 8 different levels that you get. You have the option to upgrade from, and you guys can't really see it because it's backwards. But the level 1, you can upgrade. It's $100. Level 2 is $500. Level 3 is $1,000. Level 4 is $1,500. Level 5, $2,000. Level 6, $2,500. Level 7, $3,500. Level 8, $5,000. Okay, so if you came in at level 1, you'd be positioned to get $70 commissions. When somebody comes in and upgrades at level 1, you'll get $70 commissions, and your sponsor gets $20, and the admin gets $10. At level 2, which is the $500 level, when somebody joins you at that level, you'll get $350. Your sponsor will get $100, and the admin gets $50. At level 3, which is the $1,000, you'll get, when somebody joins you at the $1,000, you'll get $700. Your the sponsor will get $200, and the admin will get $100. And level 4, which is $1,500, you'll get $1,050. Your sponsor will get $300, and the admin gets $150. Level 5, which is 2,000, you'll get 1,400. Your sponsor gets 4, and the admin gets 200. At level 6, 2,500, you get 1,750. Your sponsor gets 500, admin gets 250. Level 7, which is a $3,500 level, you get 2,450. Sponsor gets 700, and admin gets 350. And then the 8th level, which is the $5,000 level, you get 3,500. Your sponsor gets 1,000, and the admin gets 500. So you see how freaking powerful this is, guys. Imagine getting $100 bills, even thousands of dollars in the mailbox with this. And you see, you're always going to be in position all the time, and each and every time your signups get signed up, you're going to get a cut out of it. I mean, there's basically, you get matching pay on here. So there's matching pay at the 2 positions, and I'll kind of show you guys what this looks like, the graph a little bit. I know it's kind of backwards, but that's what it looks like. You can get 200 postcards. It costs 20. You can order 200 postcards for $20. You can order leads on here. Got the little flyer in here. It shows you how to upgrade. And some other cool stuff, where to print your flyers. And so this is the little flyer. Talks about the spillover bonus. Okay, so say for instance that you only joined at the $100 level, and somebody came in and joined you at the $500 level. You're going to get $100, and then the next person up that upgraded that level, they're going to get that'd be your sponsor. They would get the spillover. So that's what the spillover bonus is. But I have a website that's going to be down below this video here. Check out the website, guys. If you guys want Mailboxcash with the cash building system, this is a powerful system. Each and every sign up you get 200 postcards and peel and stick labels. You just got to go off and mail those off, and you can just keep rinsing and repeating. But you guys should check out that website down below, guys. This is really powerful, and I'm sure that you're going to start hearing a lot about this cash building system. I've been kind of eyeballing this for a little while. I'm a part of a couple different mailbox cash opportunities, and this is one that I really had to become a part of. So the cash building system, I just wanted to drop in and share with you guys my starter kit that I got in the mailbox, the postcards and the flyer. Get started. It's just $50 to get started at the entry level, and then you could figure out where you want to upgrade at, where you're comfortable at, guys. So this is Buddy. I'm out. You guys know what to do. Check that link out in the description. I also have a phone number that I'm using, a cell phone funnel that I'm using for a mailbox cash opportunity, 360-298-9617, and that'll send the link directly to your smartphone about the mailbox cash opportunity. So at that, guys, I just wanted to share the cash building system with starter kit with you guys. You guys should come to check this out, because this is hot and this is powerful. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the inside. Love you guys. Peace out. God bless.